Hello all, welcome to our channel. The first question is called any website once you're creating for Bing Webmaster, how to index your Bing search engine purpose. Select your proper URL. The option name is called URL inspection. Google Search Console same and Bing also will be same. Click for URL inspection. Click here and inspect. We getting any issues will be here. Title too long. So already discussed title will using for 60 characters. If exceeding more than 60 character, they will show will be indicate will be error. So that is called the indicator will be error. Second one H1 tag miss. So control F H1 tag. So in the total website, H1 tag will be missing. So what will happen? We have to add the H1 tag option. So that is the mainly we have to use it. So right now I'm adding for H1 tag will be here. Give me a second. I'm logging for Plesk panel. So I'm logging here. Click for file manager, application. Where is our code will be here. Select home.php. Checked out. Where is the text will be simple on process. So yeah. There's H2 will be there. Adding will be H1. Control U. Click for save. Refresh. Here is the writing for H1 tag. Previous, there is no H1 tag, showing for 0. Now refresh, Control F, H1 tag. So what is H1 tag? All clones, simple loan in here. So what are the H1 tag will missing? We have to refresh it. Inspect. Check it out. Still is here. How to fix H1 tag compulsory indicate here. We can go to refresh in this option. It little bit take time to the adding this particular option. Inspect here still is facing some problem. All attribute miss 20 instantly will be found. So that will be we have to fix with the this particular option will be here. So what are the alt tag is missing? So any image specific name is missing. So home page control F alt is equal to here. This icon will missing for alt tag. So how many missing alt tag? So many alt tag is missing. So that is called that is indicated by the errors. So based on this one here, here is the arc1 will be there in here. Out of 25, how many is missing? We can show indicate 20 will be missing. We can manual adding by the this alt tag will be each and every option. So right now I can click option will be here is the option. Inspect is done. After that click for live URL option. It is index will be started here, inspection, view, test results. So everything will be here. Response will be done. So URL can be indexed by Bing search engine. View test report. Everything will be final report will be. So same like that, we can go to this services page, click for the option, copy here, paste it, inspect. Setting will be requesting to index and submit. Per day we can submit by the 100 URLs. So that will be submit will be done. After this, live URL. So anything will be copying issues will be there. Click for request into index and submit. One URL will be click for double times. That day will be finish your particular URL option. So URL can be indexed by Bing. It can appear Bing search results given it passes quality checks and gets indexed by Bing search engine. What are the issues will be here? We have rectify this option. So meta description also too long. We have to update by the this option. So what are the issues we'll be facing? Everything indicated by the Bing Webmaster option. So this is a method we have to follow and index each and every link by using URL inspection. So what are the page you have? Copy this one, paste it, request index. This will be Google search engine. This will be Bing search engine. Quite different it will show. Request index, same procedure, but Bing will be fastest will be done by your request will be going to follow-up will be Bing. But in a Google, first index will taking for 2 to 3 minutes or 1 to 2 minutes. After that, we can go to the just live URL option for each and every page. So this will be mainly focus about the particular user and particular method will be used to the indexing process on the Bing Webmaster tool. Compulsory mandatory field daily update will be sitemap.xml will be compulsory mandatory field but you can update for each and every web pages. So any issues you'll be facing problem for Bing search engine, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.